We describe the arthroscopic repair of the proximal iliofemoral ligament after traumatic injury. This was performed by the Department of Orthopedic Surgery at Albany Medical Center. The authors have no disclosures. Here we can see the Arthrix capsule stitch suture passer being used to pass fiber tape sutures through the iliofemoral ligament in order to primarily repair the torn tissue. A double row repair is performed with sutures secured into the anterior aspect of the pelvis at the insertion of the iliofemoral ligament. Here we can see that the iliofemoral ligament has been repaired as it lies in its anatomic position. A probe is run along the length of the tendon to check for adequate fixation and tensioning of the iliofemoral ligament. Our repair is seen below, and the appropriate tensioning of the tendon has been restored, providing adequate stability.